Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you on how to clear Gcash transaction history. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and like this video. So first, open the Gcash app on your device and ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the profile bar located next to the transactions bar. Tap on it and you'll be redirected to your profile page. From there, head over to the transactions section, where you can view all your past transactions. To delete these, go back to your profile and click on your name. This will take you to the Gcash Account Center. Here, you'll find the option to delete your account. By deleting your Gcash account, all transaction history associated with it will also be removed. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.